In 1999, the Pacific Ocean rumbled. Noaa detected a strange sound, so loud it could be heard thousands of miles away. They named it Julia. It sounded like the roar of some giant creature, louder than a blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. But no cameras or sonar could find its source. Some scientists suspected it was simply a cracking iceberg, but another theory suggested the sound came from something much larger, something that might still be lurking in the darkness of the ocean. Is Julia simply a natural phenomenon, or evidence of an ancient sea monster we haven't yet discovered? Subscribe for more content.